class is a simulation-based course focused on amicus briefs. So these are friend of the court briefs. It's intended to deepen students' legal practice skills more generally, so on research and writing and oral advocacy, through the lens of the unique features of amicus briefs, of briefs that are bringing in the perspective and expertise of folks who aren't otherwise parties to the litigation. The press conference is really the capstone to the course. The students have worked hard all semester researching and writing their briefs, and the press conference is when they get to announce it, the filing of the brief to the public. And so it's the opportunity where we really come full circle. We started the semester learning to translate non-legal source material into legal argument, and then at the press conference, they pivot back around and they communicate their legal argument to a lay audience. And it forces them to really cut to the essence of what their brief is about and why their issue is important, and it's so fun as the professor to get to sit and watch them come full circle like that and have all of their hard work turn into such a powerful message at the end of the semester.
Out of all of the skills that I was able to practice in this class, the research methodology aspect, surprisingly, was the one that I sort of improved on the most. For example, my portion of our brief involved a lot of history and normative arguments, and so I had to find historical documents and pull from the websites of different organizations to sort of build the backdrop of the policy and legal argument that we were making in our brief. And that's something that I didn't really get the opportunity to do in other contexts.
Working as a cohesive team within the Amicus Advocacy class really allowed us to each bring our own individual backgrounds and experiences to the argument that we were developing. And it also helped us tailor that argument not only to the facts of the case, but to the broader concerns that each of us recognize might impact society if the judges in the case were to go one way or the other. And I don't think we could have developed the cohesiveness nor complexity of the argument that we offered without those different perspectives contributing to it.
I hope students deepen their research skills, writing skills, oral advocacy skills, and I hope that they become more strategic and creative in their thinking about how to persuade a court and how to think about legal advocacy and their role as attorneys. And I hope that they leave feeling better equipped to enter legal practice as meaningful collaborators, that they understand that legal work is all done in collaboration and they feel able to work in effective partnership with colleagues to produce a final product that truly is better than it would have been if they had worked on it alone. Best of luck with everything in the future, and you've all been just a fantastic group of rules. Take care, good luck with finals.